Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G60S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Start by opening settings and choosing security. Now click on face unlock and enter your current login method. After that, choose setup at the bottom right corner and choose next at the bottom right corner as well. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow those instructions. Now select Next at the bottom right corner as well and tap on Done. Now when I turn off my screen, turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!